Whoa! It's a blizzard in July. That's right. It's a forecast of a blizzard. Oh, did you know the famous Moorhead Dairy Queen is holding their 75th annual, it's the anniversary of Miracle Treat Day. They are raising money for Sanford Children's Hospital, 75 years worth. So we're talking 100% chance of blizzards here in the valley. Buy a blizzard. It goes to a wonderful cause today. And wave hi to Hutch. I'll be out there shortly for a big old blizzard eating contest. I don't recommend eating snow, but blizzards? Yeah. Woo!